same old voice inside of my head. What do we become even if we run, we can't escape our fears? No, all alone with our alibis, stuck at home as these days go by. Keep you safe, but I can keep you warm. I can't stop the